All right. Thank you very much for the kind introduction. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry. I will talk to you today about additive manufacturing for next generation microelectronics. I will take you for the journey, and I will start about introducing the XTPL ultra precise dispensing technology for those of you who are not familiar with it. I will show you our product portfolio that enables this technology, and then I will show you some of the applications that can be used using this technology. Okay, so what is ultra precise dispensing? This is technology based on ultra high performance material dispensing through a very fine nozzle. So the precise manufacturing of the nozzle is crucial here, and the other part is the material itself. So where our technology excels is the range below 10 microns, but we can go even beyond 1 micron. So at the bottom here, you can see a very small line, which is around 600 micrometers, 600 nanometers wide, and you can already see single nanoparticles. So this is why the material is important, so that it can form such fine nozzles, such a fine lines. And you steer the whole process through pressure driving the material onto the substrate. And in our portfolio, we have a range of products. We have a standalone device, industrial grade devices, and our own materials. So starting with the Delta printing system. So this is a standalone printing system. So this is typically targeted for R&D centers, something you start with, evaluate the technology, and then you can do small scale manufacturing with it, like a nest production. And whenever you're ready, and this system also has a very intuitive user interface, so it's easy to operate. There is a very low entry level to this technology, but of course you can manipulate the device using scripts, or you can input your design in the form of a CAD file to make it easy to operate. And whenever you're ready to bring your product to mass production, then you can use one of our modular printheads. So we have a portfolio of printheads which you can configure to suit your particular needs. So depending if you maybe have your entire system and you only want the dispensing part, you can do that. If you want a complex, complete solution, all in one, just plug and play, then you can also have a more robust option. And the heart beating soul of our technology are the materials. So we have materials that are well suited to our dispensing system. So it's really crucial that we control both the dispensing system and the material. So you have this synergy. So this is what we are mostly focused on. So we have silver and gold-based materials at the moment, more coming soon. But we also have materials for other manufacturing methods, for example, for inkjet, aerosol jet, or lift. On the other hand, you can use our printing system with third-party materials, resins, dielectrics, conductive adhesives, solder paste, or even quantum dot colloids. So this is just a short list, but there are a lot of materials that are compatible, and you can have this all-in-one solution when you print conductive, dielectric, and functional materials. Okay, so now let me show you what you can do with those systems. So One of the first applications is manufacturing microLEDs. So this is alternative for the BGA.